This Bestier 63-inch modern fireplace television stand offers a wide, sturdy surface that comfortably supports large televisions while giving the living room a sleek, contemporary focal point. The combination of open cubbies and adjustable glass shelves makes it easy to organize consoles, speakers, and decor without the setup feeling cluttered. The built-in electric fireplace adds convincing flame effects along with supplemental heat, so the stand doubles as both entertainment hub and a cozy heater for medium-sized rooms. Multiple flame colors, brightness levels, and speeds let you fine-tune the fireplace look, including a no-heat mode that keeps the ambience without warming the room. The integrated LED lighting around the shelving brings a fun, customizable glow that works just as well for movie nights as for gaming or holiday gatherings. Construction from sturdy, low-emission engineered wood with clearly labeled parts makes the unit feel solid once assembled and keeps the actual build process straightforward for one or two people.